Hey kids, welcome to Doodle with Fathima. Let's color a kitten with cupcakes and chocolates. Let's get started. Let's color the cupcake first. I am using light brown color. Now I am using red color. Now let's color the cream violet color. Let's color the sprinkles dark pink, blue, yellow and orange. Let's color the strawberry now. Red color and green color. Let's color the flower yellow and orange color. Now let's color this tiny candy dark pink and yellow color. Now let's use blue color for this candy. Now I am using dark pink and violet color and the strawberry red color. Now I am using orange color. Now let's color the heart red color. I love cupcakes and I love chocolates. Do you eat chocolates? And which is your favorite chocolate? Tell me in the comment below. Let's color the kitten golden yellow and brown. This small naughty kitten wants to eat the cupcake. Can you see the kitten's mouth watering? Let's color the nose light pink and tongue dark red. Let's color the kitten's nail red color. Lastly, let's color the glasses black color. This small little kitten is so cute. Haha. Yay! My naughty kitten is ready! Thank you and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss my future updates. Bye bye!